Best practice number 23. Today we're going to talk about LAN to WAN traffic with the web filter security profile. Obviously, as the name is saying, web filter deals with all of web traffic, so it will secure web traffic for our users. Specifically today, for the LAN to WAN traffic, what I like to have is at least block this category, the potentially liable. I like to block that. And I also like to block a few bandwidth consuming freeware and software download peer-to-peer. And obviously the most important one, if there's one that needs to be blocked, it's this one, the security risk. I block all of that. Very useful. The others, it's based on your organizations and your own policies. And also I want to bring your attention to custom categories. I like it because you can add a custom website to these categories to block them or monitor them. So the way it works is you go here, web rating override. You can add any website and you assign it to custom 1 or 2 category. Going back to LAN to WAN, obviously you've seen that the rest of the website, it's all set to monitor because I want to monitor and log everything. As you've seen in the previous video, for me it's very important to see and log everything. It gives us tremendous advantage in case of a cybersecurity event. If we go down, I like to use this rate URLs by domain and IP address. I like this feature. And also here you have to make a choice. If FortiGate is unreachable for whichever reason, FortiGate is the server that will rate the websites. You choose, do you allow them or do you block them? For me, I want to allow them for conveniency. If you want the most secure way, you would choose block all website. It's up to you. Web filter also, one thing to notice is web filter you're gonna need at least to have certificate inspection enabled. What does that do? Certificate inspection will allow the FortiGate to inspect. So when you go to any web server, the certificate that the server present will show you a few information, and the certificate inspection will inspect the subject. It will inspect the subject and the SAN, subject alternative name, to figure out what is the website you're visiting. So it's using the information that is publicly available on the web server certificate to determine which server you're visiting. And so this is the most basic way of doing web filter. If you want to go to the ultimate level, you will have to enable deep packet inspection. This will be for a unique video, but when you do, the FortiGate will be able to decrypt HTTPS traffic and see everything in between the client and the web server, which means that when you log, you're going to see the full URLs that the clients are visiting on any website. This is full visibility. Whereas if you only use certificate inspection, the basic one, you will only see the domain name. You will just see the website, but you will not see which resources your users accessed on the website. How do you apply it? LAN to WAN in our case. Here, LAN to WAN web filter. Make sure you have at least certificate inspection. In this case, I have deep inspection in this policy. And this is how you configure the web filter. This is it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one.